9 o'clock in the morning. I just ran a few errands. I popped over to my brother-in-law's shop to get a few bits and bobs, and he basically told me that these donuts I could have for free because they are sort of going towards the expiry date. You know what? I don't even care if they expired because they're so good. And I don't care. It's worth it, man. And you're probably wondering, why are you sitting here eating in the car? Because I want some peace and quiet, and I just want to enjoy at least one bite where I don't get, disturbed by the kids. Mommy, no, not this time, mate. Mmm. 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 Thanks for watching.